Hi, I'm John Holden, and welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in the Great Smoky Mountains of Tennessee and the town of Gatlinburg. Now, this town is only 4,000 people, but there's 8 million visitors that come here each year to see its natural beauty, its wildlife, its rain, and most certainly its tourist attractions. But there's one tourist attraction in particular that offers a very important education on preserving our environment, as you're about to see. Every year, millions of visitors converge on the mountain town of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, to enjoy nature, but also to enjoy all there is to see and do in one of the state's top tourist destinations.
The city of Gatlinburg is so blessed because of its scenic beauty. With the trees, the mountains, the streams, it's nestled in against the Great Smoky Mountains, and yet we have the views and all the wildlife that allow people to come and enjoy all that this town and this state has to offer.
Despite a devastating fire in 2016, Gatlinburg and nature itself is back in business stronger than ever.
Over 2,500 structures were lost, over $1 billion in assets were lost, and to see the way that this town has rebounded. In fact, in 2019, we will have more visitors come to our town than we did before the fire.
And many of those visitors come here to see one of this nation's top sea life attractions, Ripleys Aquarium, with its 100,000 square feet of interactive exhibits and over 1.5 million gallons of recycled salt water for its host of ocean inhabitants.
This is Shark Lagoon, and this is why people come to Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies. What a great experience. This habitat is 750,000 gallons of water. Just a huge habitat. Oh, look, there's a sawfish right above our head. Big female, maybe about 14 feet long. These things are increasingly threatened in the wild, and you just will not see them anywhere, but we have a few on display here at Ripley's. This is no different than it would be in the main ocean itself. We've designed this habitat to be just like it, and we want to make sure all of our animals are happy and well fed and taken care of. So Sally the sea turtle is one of the largest sea turtles in captivity, if not the largest. She's 5 feet across the shell, 450 pounds. She's a big girl and one of our signature animals here at the aquarium. I'll tell you this, when people come, they all want to see Miss Sally. She is such a pretty animal.
But besides being a top tourist attraction, Ripley's Aquarium prides itself in being a custodian of the earth, in that they try for every exhibit to educate children and adults about the importance of conservation and sustainability of our world's sea life.
This is America's #1 aquarium, as voted by USA Today, and we are very, very proud of that fact. The most important thing that we can do is education about our environment. And you can do that in such a way where people have a whole lot of fun while they learn.
After a day here at Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies, one of our main missions is to just help them actually make the world a better place. Not only do we want them to leave with brand new information, but we also want to leave them with a lasting impact of how they can make our planet a little bit better.
This includes floor educators and dive show presentations to show the importance of sustaining our sea environment, making every attempt to breed animals in captivity to offset the need to collect animals from the ocean. All the while offering an entertaining way to promote conservation and sustainability of our ocean world through hands-on interactive displays, or even a personal encounter with a colony of African penguins.
So this is Miss Natonda. She is an African black-footed penguin. She's one of 36 that we have here at Ripley's. So it's great when people see us feed because they are very cute when they feed, and they are very sweet when we feed them. So I would love for people to know that not only are they sweet, but they also are endangered. So they are part of an SSP. So that's a species survival plan. So little Miss Natonda here, she has currently had 3 babies already here born at Ripley's, and that is very good for her genetics.
Now here's one of my favorite interactive displays. It's touch a jellyfish without it stinging you. But besides the excitement of actually touching this sea life, the important takeaway here is the environmental conservation message.
Mostly our children absolutely love to touch our animals in our touch tanks, but however it is nice for adults as well who have never touched a jellyfish in fear of being stung. They do look like plastic bags. So it is a chance for educators to inform them about the plastics in the ocean and bags in the ocean and how that does affect other life as well.
Here at Ripley's Aquarium, the biggest takeaway that we want you to have when you visit is that the environment is critical to us as human beings. It's important that we teach you that, it's important that you learn conservation, and it's primary importance that you had fun in doing it.
It's all about incorporating the fun of a tourist attraction with the all-important message of conservation. That makes sites like this something that'll be around for future generations to enjoy.